Every AI you use today, whether it's recommending a movie or writing you an essay, runs on one of these two operational brains. One is MLOps, the system that made traditional AI reliable and scalable. The other is LLMOps, the framework that keeps large language models alive, smart, and responsive. They sound similar. But here is the truth. MLOps teaches machines to predict. LLMOps teaches them to think. Together, they form the backbone of modern intelligence. In this video, we'll break down how both work, what makes them different, and why you need to master both if you want to survive in the AI revolution. Before ML Ops was invented, AI projects were chaos. Data scientists trained models on laptops, copied code to servers, and prayed it wouldn't break in production. Then came ML Ops, inspired by DevOps, development operations, bringing structure, automation, and consistency. Suddenly, training, testing, deployment, and monitoring became part of a controlled, repeatable process. But AI didn't stop evolving. When large language models arrived, they weren't just models anymore, they became platforms. They needed to be connected to data, updated through feedback, monitored for bias, and fine tuned in real time. And that is how LLMOps entered the scene, a new way of operating AI that deals with dynamic language based intelligence. Before seeing the difference, let's see what is MLOps. MLOps stands for Machine Learning Operations. It is the entire ecosystem that helps you build, test, deploy, and maintain machine learning models in production. Its purpose is simple: keep your models accurate, scalable, and dependable, even as your data changes. Let's see core stages of MLOps pipeline. The first step is data preparation, collecting, cleaning, and labeling structured data. Second step, it is model training, using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Third step is validation and testing, measuring precision, recall, and F1 scores. As a fourth step, we have deployment, packaging the model into APIs or microservices for usage. As a fifth and last step, we have monitoring and retraining, tracking drift and automating updates here. It is the backbone of predictive AI, powering fraud detection, recommendation systems, and demand forecasting. So, the goal of ML Ops is consistency, repeatability, and automated improvement. So, what is LLM Ops now? After ML Ops, we saw LLM Ops coming. So it is all about large language models. They changed everything, anyways. Unlike traditional models that output numbers, LLMs generate text, reason through questions, and even code. But with that power came complexity. You are no longer fine tuning models daily. Instead, you are managing prompts, tokens, context windows, and model orchestration. LLMOps is the system that keeps this running smoothly. Let's see the core stages of this powerful LLMOps pipeline. The first step is prompt engineering. It is the process of designing effective prompts or templates to get proper answers and to train LLMs. Contacts management is the second step using RAG, retrieval augmented generation, and vector databases. Third step is model orchestration, calling and chaining models, OpenAI, Cloud, and local Llama. Fourth step is evaluation, scoring outputs for correctness, coherence, and safety. Fifth step is feedback loops, integrating human ratings and continuous improvement here. As a last step, we have governance, managing usage, costs, and ethical boundaries. And the goal of LLM Ops is to keep LLMs factual, relevant, and efficient in dynamic environments. Where ML Ops is about data pipelines, LLM Ops is about dialogue pipelines. All right, now let's get into the part everyone is curious about. What really separates ML Ops from LLM Ops? On the surface, they might look similar. Both involve pipelines, deployment, monitoring, and feedback loops. But when you look closely, they are built for completely different kinds of intelligence. First, the focus. MLOps is all about building and maintaining predictive models. It is where you take structured data like numbers, tables, or sensor readings and train a model that make decisions based on patterns. LLM Ops, on the other hand, is all about language driven intelligence. Instead of focusing on structured data, it focuses on unstructured text, words, prompts, documents, and contacts. The goal is not to predict a value, it is to generate meaning. Second, the data. In ML Ops, you work with data that is clean, labeled, and organized. Think customer purchase history, transaction logs, temperature readings, that kind of data. But in LLM Ops, you deal with messy, open ended human text. It is unpredictable, creative, and constantly changing, which means the pipeline has to be far more than flexible. The third difference lies on how they learn. MLOps models are trained repeatedly. You gather new data, retrain the model, improve its accuracy, and redeploy. It is a loop. Train, test, deploy, repeat. But MLOps is not as same as LLM ops. Here in LLM ops models, they are massive. You don't retrain them every week. You fine tune or adapt them. Most of the improvement comes from not retraining, but from better prompts, smarter contacts management, and real time feedback loops. Fourth difference lies on how we measure success. In MLOps, performance is measured with numbers, accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. You can quantify how well your model performs, but LLM ops is trickier. You measure quality. How good is the response? Is it relevant? Is it factual? Is it free from bias? Here, evaluation becomes subjective and dynamic, blending metrics with human judgment. The fifth difference is about tools. MLOps relies on tools like MLflow, Kubeflow, and SageMaker, all built to manage model training, versioning, and deployment. LLMops, on the other hand, uses tools like LangChain, Llama Index, Prompt Layer, or Weights and Bias for LLM evaluation. They are focused on managing prompts, training models, and evaluating output quality. And finally, the mindset. MLOps is like engineering a machine that performs calculations perfectly. LLMOps is like guiding a mind that understands context and emotion. One runs on data precision, the other runs on language intuition. Even though this video is about differences in the real world, you rarely use just one. The most advanced AI systems blend both. Imagine a healthcare AI. MLOps models predicts risk scores, patient readmissions, or anomalies. LLM Ops handles the conversation, explaining results, summarizing records, or chatting with doctors. Or take an e commerce platform. MLOps predicts what a user might buy next. LLMOps powers the chatbot that helps users find it naturally. MLOps brings stability. LLMOps brings adaptability. Together, they make AI useful and usable. The future of AI is not about choosing sides, it's about fusion, where data driven models and language driven systems work as one. MLOps is learning to speak, LLMOps is learning to measure, and together they are evolving into something bigger, AI Ops. One predicts, one understands. Together, they form the complete brain of modern intelligence. So, next time you talk to an AI or see one make a decision, remember behind that moment is a silent partnership between ML ops and LLM ops, where data meets dialogue.